that should see the full legal advice of the backstop, and do you think the public should see it too?
Well, I'm going to now get an opportunity to see what it is in the 95% that we are agreed. If I have any questions, I'll want to raise them myself with the Attorney General and ensure that we are taking decisions with the fullest possible information at our fingertips. It's very important that on a big historic decision like this, that we are absolutely sure on the legal basis on which we're taking those decisions.
Want to see the full advice?
If I have any questions or have any doubt in any way that the full legal advice is there, I will want to raise those issues with the Attorney General myself.
From a future trade position, what can you advise when you go in on how we can get out, how we can make sure we can get out of the backstop?
Well, I think that there are two issues that I've said openly. The first is that no part of the United Kingdom can be treated differently from any other part of the United Kingdom. And secondly, we were given an instruction by the British people to leave the European Union, so there has to be a mechanism for the British government to ensure that that happens.
A unilateral mechanism?
That has to be a mechanism where ultimately that decision lies with the sovereign British government.
What's your feeling? Do you think legal advice should be published, or do you think it shouldn't be published?
Well, I think certainly in terms of access for the Cabinet who will take this decision, we have to be absolutely sure that we see. I think I'll make my own judgment on that when I have actually had a chance to see what the withdrawal agreement text looks like. So I think this is a process clearly over the next few days where it's going to be really important that we feel that we have the fullest possible information on which to make a decision, which will have profound consequences for the future of our country.
And with mutually agreed withdrawal from the backstop, would that be something that would concern you?
Well, as I said, we have an instruction from our voters to leave the European Union. That decision can't be subcontracted to somebody else. That needs to be an issue for a sovereign British government to be able to determine.